All right, so we are done with the underfloor and it is the end of day 2. Well, it's officially day 3, but working man hours, that was 2 days. So we've got the A side. This is what we're calling the A, the B, and the C unit over here. All the sill plates are in. Oh, it's kind of blurry. There we go. All the sill plates are in. Just finished up putting these crawl space accesses in. And that was the last thing other than cleaning up our job site. So got one crawl space here, one crawl space there, and another crawl space over there. All ready to go. Guys, keep following along. I'm going to be posting videos about this entire build. But this underfloor is done. It is ready for the plumber to come in and any mechanical that needs to come in, and then any of the stuff that the electrician wants to do. The electrician happens to be the general contractor too, so he might be doing something. He mentioned he might come in and do something, but that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep following along for the entire build.